Hi guys! Welcome back to another episode of
7-Minute Sundays.
7-Minute Sundays.
7-Minute Sundays, and for today's episode of 7-Minute Sundays, we are at Burnaby Mountain Park. Our topic for today is summers.
Yeah.
Kasi dapat nga summer na this weekend. And hopefully by the time that this video comes out, it's already warm and sunny.
Pero according naman sa forecast,
Warm and sunny na. Yeah.
But anyways, yes, kung nagtataka kayo, ay kung bago kayo sa channel namin or kung bago kayo sa vlog namin, mapapanood nyo yung about sa Burnaby Mountain Park namin na lakad.
Or napanood nyo na.
Or napanood nyo. Kung bago kayo, sure, yes. But yeah, meron kaming video din sa kabuuan ng lugar na to. But anyways,
yeah, our 7-minute Sundays pala is like parang non-existent na yung rules ng 7-minute kasi hindi na nasusunod talaga. But our topic for today is about summer. So for 7 minutes or more, we're gonna be talking about just summer.
Summer in BC, summer in Canada. Yan na.
So yeah, I don't know. Basta summer related.
Yeah.
So are you ready?
Yeah, go.
Okay, let's go. Nung nasa Calgary pa kami, every summers magdadrive kami to BC. So Kelowna, Vancouver, Victoria. No, I don't think we ever went to Victoria. I'm not too sure. But yeah. Yun, parang automatic na pag summer,
May gagawin kayo.
we're always gonna be going to BC para sa, the big vacation. Kasi nga, when you have kids, you always have to think about when they are going on vacation and
So, tingnan ko kasi may magalaw sa drinks. But anyways, yeah, ako, ever since dumating ako dito sa Canada, dito na talaga ako sa BC, sa Vancouver, hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy masyado yung summer dati kasi nga student pa ako. I was an international student for 1.5 years. And then pag summer, hindi rin ako medyo nakakagala kasi nga diba, tinitipid natin yung pera natin for tuition fee. But nung graduate na ako, I think hindi din kami masyado nakakapaggala kasi like last year lang nag-heat wave and also busy kami sa work and pandemic. So, ang daming reasons na hindi talaga na-explore ang BC during summer. But hopefully, this year, magagawa ko na yan or magagawa namin yan. But you already have plans, no? Siguro yeah. But,
yeah.
siguro...
Parang late naman ang summer this year. Kasi ngayon, medyo malamig pa rin. So,
medyo
siguro
malamig.
kasi we don't have to schedule our summer. Basta kung kailan lang warm.
Yeah, kasi ngayon talaga parang nakadepende na lahat sa weather. Kasi like last year lang, I think mga around this time, sobrang init na.
True, yeah.
And
Papasok
then,
ng July and August. August parang nagko-cool down na siya ng slight, pero mainit pa rin.
Yeah, pero ngayon, look, tingnan nyo naman, naka-jacket pa kami.
Yeah.
Malamig pa
Yeah.
siya.
Wala
So,
lang araw. Feeling ko kung may araw, warm na. Pero, yeah. Pag
Also,
summers din, uso dito yung magka-camping and, yun na, magka-camping and going to lakes and then swimming on lakes.
guys, ang summer pala dito sa Canada is
June,
July, August. Yun.
until September 22.
Oo, yun yung natin, summer sa Canada. Kasi sa ibang bansa, like for example sa New Zealand, kabaliktaran sa kanila pag pag Christmas,
And
masyadong mainit sa kanila.
Australia, diba?
Oo, Australia.
Yeah.
Mainit sa kanila pag Christmas. Sa atin dito malamig. And I think
Sa
tayo
Philippines ba? May ang summer, diba? Kasi may yung mainit dun.
March, April, May. June,
April,
balikan na
May.
ng school.
Pero ngayon
And
hindi
maulan
na.
na.
Diba
Ay, ewan
September?
ko, August.
Nagano na ata sila
Guys,
dun
hindi
eh.
ko alam.
Hindi
Kung may
naman
kung may alam kayo about sa summer sa Philippines and sa school sa Philippines, mag-comment kayo. But yes, yung
Yeah.
summer natin dito, ganun yun sa Canada.
Last year, nagpunta kami ng Calgary in July. July yan, diba? Kasi nag-stampede kami for one day. We just tried it. Kat tried it. It was her first time. And then, nag-camping din kami last year. Sa, Oo.
Sobrang namin,
Yeah.
sobrang
Busy namin last year. Kasi nung pag-camping namin, so pumunta kami ng Calgary, nag-camp kami, and then pumunta kami ng Stampede. And then, after nung magdadrive na kami pabalik, kinuha na namin si Tonyo, yung car, with the twins, si Brianna and Lance. So, they were with us for a month sa bahay namin. So, from July to like August, they were there. And then, after they left, their parents picked them up with my grandparents, Mama Belen and Papa Rico. They were there for a week, diba? A week. Or siguro mga 4 days, ganun. And then after that, one week, kaming walang bisita. And then the following week, nandito naman yung parents ko and Tita Kat and ate. So,
and Mama Chat.
For 2 weeks, diba? 2 weeks sila. 2 weeks ba yun? Yeah, 2 weeks ata.
Medyo
It was so busy.
Busy
Yeah.
kami last year. Medyo, din.
Parang na-excite sila kasi may apartment na kami nun. Tapos, parang free stay. So, na-excite sila. But, yeah, last year was super, super hot. We ended up buying, aircon.
Totoo. At saka last year, medyo may time pa kami talaga maggala-gala. Kasi kakatapos ko lang din mag-school noon and wala pa, naghahanap pa ako ng work. Parang yung status ko, pa lang, inaantay ko pa lang yung work permit ko. But naghahanap-hanap na ako ng work noon. And then si Kim din that time.
I was interviewing for a job, the job that I have now. Kasi, I wasn't really looking for a job. Parang,
Trinay lang.
maganda lang yung naging transition ko. And then, usually, pag summertime, it's a really good time to be jumping from jobs because a lot of people are, going back to school, so they're quitting their jobs, and then there's more space for you to fill. Parang ganun. Parang timing lang. And then, so we were both kind of going into a new job last summer. So it was really hectic last summer. Pero this year, I think we're gonna be enjoying this summer more.
True.
Yeah, also COVID last year, diba?
Yeah, dahil nga din sa pandemic, ang dami ding hindi na tuloy-tuloy, ang dami mga plano na dapat sana gagawin pero hindi nagawa. But hopefully, yun nga yung summer natin ngayon. Sana mas masaya na.
True. I mean, we've already done some things this year. Like, we went to Belcara. There's a video in Belcara. And then, ayun, parang binivisit na namin yung mga trails and
na pwede namin
mga parks. Kasi the past summers din, wala kaming car. So it was hard. But now we have a car. So we've been going to places.
1 year, magwa 1 year na pala si Tonyo sa atin, no?
Yes. Yeah. So, it's cool.
Yan lang, guys. Kayo, anong plans niyo for summer?
Yeah.
Ano ang mga experiences niyo sa summer dito sa Canada?
Or wherever you are.
Wherever you are. And sa mga nagbabalak na dumating dito sa Canada ng summer, marami kayong magagawa. Don't worry.
Kung dito kayo dadating sa Vancouver ng summer, good luck. Kasi ang daming tourists. So, summer is a busy time for Vancouver. Lalo na sa downtown. Ngayon nga, parang pag every every after work, naglalakad kami palabas ng downtown
Ang
to,
daming tao.
yeah, ang dami ng tao. And then, nung nag-lunch ako last Friday, pumili ako ng food sa food truck. I went to the food truck and ang daming tao. Parang, di naman ganito kadami yung tao dito.
Pag malamig dito, parang nag-hibernate din yung mga tao. Pero nag-work sila guys ha, nag-work sila in office sila, pero bihira nyo na lang sila talaga makikita, like hindi sila lumalabas. Nagbabaon
Kasi
sila
maulan.
ganun. Oo, nagbabaon ganun. Pero pag summer or like pag
Everybody's
maganda yung
out.
weather,
Yeah.
lahat nasa labas.
Yeah.
So,
Pag summer nga pala dito, pag pupunta kayo sa mga beaches, good luck finding parking. Or if you want to go there and like spend your day, you should just go early in the morning, parang before normal people wake up, and then get there, get a spot for your parking, get a spot for,
kung saan kayo magpipiknik kung gusto niyo ng
Tapos
space.
doon na kayo breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Kasi ang hirap maghanap ng parking.
But if you're just there to visit, then siguro gawin nyo na earlier.
True.
Or kung feel nyo mag-commute, sure. Pero yes, maraming tao. Yun lang yung expect niya talaga.
Yeah. But yeah, I hope that you guys visit Vancouver. And thanks for watching.
Thank you all guys for
Thank
you guys for watching. Parang, thank you for watching. Ganun na lang.
Our video.
Ingat kayo
Yeah.
lagi.
Yeah. Bye.